Hello students, myself Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Botany and overall in charge Extension Activities Committee, welcome you all in Diksharam Student Induction Program. We entered in the third day of this orientation program. I will give you some introductory point about the Extension Activities Committee, which composed of various cells and societies. The vision of our committee is which Duniya save kamaiye ta darge besan paiye, means in the midst of this world do seva and you shall be given a place of honor in the court of the Lord. Mission of committee is to imbue, means to impart the sense of social responsibility among the students and prepare them to strengthen the society ethically and economically, taking a philanthropic and legal approach. About the committee, it means Extension Activities Committee means to reach the wider community beyond the walls of the institution. So, we work at two levels by providing the extension education to the student volunteers and we perform the extension services to the community at the grassroots level. Our objectives are to establish the necessary linkage with the community, to foster the social change, to disseminate the knowledge in different segments of the population, and to cater the needs of all the sections of the society, especially the needs of the privileged sections, and to sensitize the faculty and students about the needs and problems of the community. We have 9 different cells and clubs and societies under Extension Activities Committee. We will discuss one by one and you also be the part of these clubs. First of all, NSS, National Service Scheme. Its motive is not me but you. Its program officers are Dr. Rupinder Pal Kaur, Assistant Professor in Computer Science, Dr. Amanpreet Gill, Assistant Professor in Punjabi. In the college, we have 2 units of NSS, in which the 50 volunteers per unit and 5 volunteers we can take from the outside campus. Every year, we conduct several one-day programs, camps and celebrate important days to motivate students, and also we organize 7-day special NSS camp in which volunteers carried out various activities to serve the people. We also did donations to different foundations for the welfare of the community. These are some glimpses of the activities performed by the NSS unit like Yoga Day celebration, tree plantation drive and blood donation camp and various rallies for the environment protection. Unnat Bharat Abhiyan Cell, it is coordinated by Dr. Navneet Saini, Assistant Professor in Sociology. In this cell, we have adopted 5 different villages: Harike Kala, Lakhewali, Buda Gujar, Kotli Devan and Kotli Sanghar. Under this scheme, we have conducted baseline surveys and we find out the problems of the villagers, and in this we make the connections with the people of rural India to recognize various development challenges. We also conduct awareness programs and tree plantation drives under this cell. These are some pictures of the awareness campaigns, free health checkup camp and tree plantation drive. Internal Complaint Committee, which is also known as the Women Anti-Harassment Cell. It is led by Ms. Kirandish Kaur, Assistant Professor in Chemistry. In this cell, we conduct seminars, special lectures, awareness programs to spread knowledge about basic legal rights and remedies provided under various women-related laws. And also we like to sensitize men about rights of women. Apart from that, the college also provided the specific facilities for safety purpose of the girls like installation of the CCTV cameras, common room facilities, guidance and counseling cell. These are some pictures of the extension lectures and awareness programs conducted by the Women Anti-Harassment Cell. Next we have the Eco and Go Green Club. Its in charge is Dr. Sukhvinder Kaur, Assistant Professor in Geology. This club spread awareness among the students and society for environmental protection and for the use of eco-friendly products in their day-to-day life. Every year we conduct rallies and awareness programs to keep surroundings green and clean by undertaking plantation of trees. This club also prepared the organic manure from solid waste, and also we did the wastewater recycling. Every year college performed the green audit. These are some pictures of activities performed by the Eco and Go Green Club. As last year we established the Guru Nanak Bagichi Red Ribbon Club. Its nodal officer is Ms. Shweta Dargan, Assistant Professor in Computer Science. This club is used to spread awareness among the faculty and the students about various infectious diseases. We conduct blood testing camps, blood donation camps, and we celebrate various events and days like AIDS Day, Cancer Days under this club. Apart from that, various rallies and awareness programs are also organized to aware the public. These are some pictures of the blood testing camp and awareness rallies. NCC, its ANO is Ms. Kamaljeet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Mathematics. The main aim of NCC establishment is to develop character, discipline, leadership, secular outlook, spirit of adventure and ideals of selfless service among students of this region. The total strength of this unit is 108 cadets, and many cadets from NCC Army Wing have participated in Republic Day Parade at New Delhi, PM Rally, Thal Sena Camp, Army Attachment Camp, Annual Training Camp and Shooting Camp, etc. Legal Literacy Club is led by Ms. Kirandish Kaur, Assistant Professor in Chemistry. This club is established to aware the students about their legal rights, to spread legal literacy and awareness in neighborhood, to identify and facilitate persons in our neighborhood who deserve legal aid or assistance. In this club, we conduct rallies and road shows to spread awareness among community. We also conduct various activities such as debates, declamation, poetry, skits, essay writing, slogan writing on different issues of the socio-legal relevance. Red Cross Society, its in charge is Dr. Navneet Saini, Assistant Professor in Sociology. The Society's mission is to provide relief in times of disasters or emergencies and to promote health and care of vulnerable people and communities. In this society, we made collections for the Red Cross flag share, Youth Red Cross share, and during the Communal Harmony Day, we also made collections for the welfare of the community. Gurmat Sabha Cell, its in charge is Dr. Sukhvinder Singh, Assistant Professor in Punjabi. Every year, a test is conducted to spread awareness about Gurmat studies among students. Apart from the activities performed by various cells and societies of Extension Activities Committee, we have also established a cloth bank in our college. We motivate our faculty and students to donate clothes in the cloth bank, and further these are distributed to the needy people and to the people of slum area. We also made various donations in collaboration with different departments of the college. Overall, this committee is headed by Dr. Harpreet Kaur, Assistant Professor in Botany. For further information, you can visit our college website that is given below, and also we have a YouTube channel of Extension Activities. You can follow and subscribe us on this channel. We also have an Instagram account. You can follow us on the same. Thank you so much, students. Stay safe, stay happy. Once again, I welcome you all in this college. Thank you so much.